Hello, Mama Kawa, Edaba, a good year Papi B TV, Kawa Girl TV. Anyhow, you want to address this noble platform, you're always welcome. Don't forget, say, we air the Ram Show. It was for I know, say, why your name be brave, but page way, I will say. I'll summarize, certain spiritual rituals for you in order to make it simple. To make it easygoing, okay? Because for me personally, I hate stress. In as much as we're doing spirituality, in as much as we want to grow, in as much as we want to get to know God, in as much as we want to, stay put, I always want to find a shortcut to people's problem. I repeat, the fact that I always tell you that I don't have power, don't believe in when I say I don't have power. I was only holding back for the sake of some people. I was only holding back for the sake of, humbly trying to, give that respect to my people, the elderly ones. My dear, I'm here to announce to you that I have power. So whatever the problem is, you can always contact me. You can always DM me. Once again, you're welcome to the realm. Here, it's all about realms, spiritual realms, everything in the realm, the ancient realms, the 21st century realms. Like just name it, the doctrines, like name it. And let me explain it for you. And once again, I welcome you to the realm show. I'm Miss Covergirl. You can address me as a good year papi. Yeah, the cover girl is the media. But a good year is like you want me to be in my spiritual elements. So, dear foreigners, you're welcome to the show on Cover Girl TV on a good year papi TV. So today's topic is: I know you've done your spiritual bath. You've eliminated negative energies around your environment and in your environment. You've done your fruit fasting, fruit rituals, and also your fasting. So now someone will ask, what's next? A lot is next. More is next. I am not done with you. Do not be in a haste to be ahead. Just stay behind me. You will surely get there. Is that okay? So today's topic is about how to connect with your ancestor, to know if there's something within. If for some reason you've been having bad dreams, things are not working for you, your soul is weak. When you dream, then you forget, you're not getting the right message from your soul to your body. In fact, your soul and body is not connecting, your spirit and body is not connecting. The easiest and the shortest way, for you to, connect them is the reason why I'm here. So relax, take a chill drink. It's not a long video. You see, I've been doing these short videos in order for you to, like I always say, to make it an easygoing sort of video. So relax, take a chill drink. Popcorn will do whilst you learn. And I beg of you, when you're done watching, don't just watch. Don't just leave your comment. Don't just subscribe. Don't just like. Don't just share. When you're done, practice it. Practice it for me. Just practice. Is this too much to ask for? I guess no. Do it for me, okay? Let's grow together. That's the vision mission of this platform. Let's grow together. You ask for it. Here is it. So make sure that you make a good use of it. You make good use of every minute of the video. Share it to your family members. Let them know what this word is all about. Do not argue. Don't try to inflict your belief on other persons. Allow them to go to their church. Allow them to do whatever they have to do. But please enlighten them bit by bit. They will surely get there. Enlighten them, awaken them. That see, this is how the word is. Go to your church, but make sure that there are some things that when you pray, attach directions to it. Attach directions to it and see how it goes. Okay, and see how it goes. It was also, and the topic, is lifting your soul. Today's topic is how to lift your soul. So as in parts, okay. So the part one was how to take your spiritual bath. The spiritual bath is a spiritual journey. Yeah. So the first thing for you to do is you take a spiritual bath. And the spiritual bath, make sure that anytime you have an affair, you do any negative stuff, you bath. When you're done, you eliminate negative elements, like negative energies around your space. When you're done eliminating negative energies, the next thing for you to do is you connecting to God and Holy Spirit. And how do you do? By doing fruit fasting. Yeah, fruit fasting. That's in reading your Bible. And the fourth part. So first you bath. Second, you eliminate negative energies. Third, you do a fruit fast. And the fourth one is this. Lifting yourself. And how do you do it? Someone will ask, so a good year, cover girl, what do I need? What items do I need? The only item you need is native egg. Others call it raw egg. Foreigners, those outside. If you don't have if you don't have native egg, please do me a favor by getting the foreign one, any egg, but it should be white, okay? Get the white color. It should be white. So native, raw, asante kosua, one kosua, local egg, anything egg. It should be egg. So this is how the process is going to be. So you need 3 eggs, white cloth, and then you get 3 white cloth and 3 eggs. So this is how you're going to go about it. Okay, my dear, don't forget it. This is the easiest way. You see, our parents used to say that whenever like you're sad or whenever you have blisters around your lips, okay, your parents, like, you know, back in the days, they would tell you that, oh, your soul is sad, like, you know, your soul is not happy. Why do they say that? Have you ever wondered like why they say that? Have you thought of it? Yes. So meaning if your soul is sad, the only thing to connect your soul via your body is for you to feed it, to feed the soul. And how do you feed the soul? It's by, giving your body the egg. When I say giving your body the egg, you swallow an egg, but in a way your soul will feel it, okay? So you have to eat it for your soul to feel it. So when you eat it via the body, the soul will accept it. That's how it works. Is that okay? So the soul will accept it. So you're getting 3 eggs. You cook 2, you leave 1. So the 1 is what you're going to use to, collect all the negative energy. So absorb all the negative energies. So you cook 2. With this direction, you're doing it around 11:45 p.m. I beg of you, if you're the lazy type, if you have to go to bed early time, make sure that you do it from 10. I think 10 should be okay. By 11, then you're done with all the rituals. 10 should be okay. All right. So with this, you eat 2. You absorb. You use the egg to absorb all the negative energies. So it's 2 ways. Is it that you crush it, or you throw it in the dustbin, boiler, or you break it at the T-junction. So whichever way, when you're doing it at the T-junction, make sure that you have a coins to thank whoever, any entity that is around that junction. Is that okay? All right. So it was for my people will list the items at the comment section. The rare members, I beg of you, list the items. And if for some reason my English is not Englishing for some people, because there are some other countries that you will still have to translate it for them, because the English doesn't even English for them. They don't understand English, but for some reason they get to translate the captions and know what I mean. But maybe I don't know if the subtitle, I'll try and see if my subtitle, you can check the subtitle column to see if it corresponds well. But whichever way, if still maybe my intonation or my accent is not working for you, my people will explain it at the comment section. But it should be okay for you. Anyways, so let me shift to my people. So ebusunya for brofo ne ya doso. Woni me nti make brofo. Enye wunti o. Enye brofo sem na yemi o. Yem crofo ni bi wo hono ma. Twi no wo monte. Nti wo sa wo force na de brofo ni room. And na YouTube no so so enye me nko na me wo ho. Enye me nko na me enye wo nko na ho. Yo obi wo hono ma won titwi. Obi wo so ne kurom kro no so sukwa won sante brofo no sante twi no. Into some make up kakra comment. I mean the subtitle column no or kwa or bet me I translate to na a man in your crew mukasa ade no no say no be as not brofo but o kan no brofo na translate moma obetimi a dane na akone ne kasa mu na wate ase enu nti na ma me de brofo be mu no nyesa edwuma we nye easy sa o cause ukwa other pages na oni adaje obeka brofo kakra ye nkrofo o meka brofo kakra nsa meka twi kakra obe try a subtitle na oni say adaje nipu so hwe se me ye we me firi ha se ama ba TikTok ya besua ade from TikTok time me na meda ade chia me say ko baby mienu adaje nipu so sa adaje nipu so sa batnyame adom obi kan na say miss obre we ni na echi no you don't even look like it I temire ni dru na say me di misika and I am really drew now once I me born my life na me ye me ejuma e no abe calculate me why because unim ne me ye enu ti na me si ye bi na ejuma no de ba na ye ya amawa wehu ha wa obere ni site se wo di sika na ebre mi na me di bia ne wehu ha wa me bere ate ase ye bi wo fie wo sorry na wo ye directions na wo say hey mami wo bre madam you obre kan yama bomu sa me che obi a meti abrochira me ye adwuma nti obi a meti abrochira me ye adwuma nti wo so ye bi why na wo ye bi wo fie na amfa na wo de bre me a watsema se why maame ye bi papa ye bi wate abra bet cover girl mase mami no musuo kakra ebusun ya for so that's just by the way into the over here a white cloth when a white cloth my dear white dress okay and stress so okra na ni be din komo obetima ye no on your soul day okra da. Okay, so my dear foreigners, with this direction you will do it on your soul day. When you say your soul day, the day that you were born, okay, maybe be it from Monday to Sunday, any of them. Okay, so where you belong, that's when you do these rituals into the day that you were born. And I obey it into no for no into yeah make you sure say wodi bebo mu na no kra kasa kosua no de bakwa to baby na de bakwa sha the one no wadi okay wodi na no kra kasa talk to your soul, communicate. If for some reason, dear soul, if for some reason I call upon you, for some reason I've done something and you are not happy, I've done something and you're hurting, I call you to appear, I call you to connect with your body, with the body. I call you to, whenever I'm asleep, I want you to enter the realm, pick whatever that is of mine so that it will reflect on me. I want you to know my vision, mission on this earth. I talk to your soul. And then in Kasa, okra, meaning so why am I? Diama why am I? Who be and me connect so, bra yendin komo. Bibi wo hona me ye na wompa be catch me. Bibi wo hona me ye na wompa be catch me. Kwahwehwe ne ma pa ne beda ne di kire me ko sie me ye me yie enana me ya hyese me di wasase we so no boa me na me ndru ho ti nkomo na no krebo o kai se wia then you swallow the egg. Don't chew it all. Swallow it without don't let it be like you're chewing it, okay? Or you swallow it. I mean, do it calmly so that you don't also hurt yourself, okay? Do it in a way that you don't hurt yourself. And say, no one say the second one. The third one, use it to get rid of all the negative energies around you. Anything that is making you fall short in life, that you use it from your forehead to your arm to your legs, just do it. When you're done, then you break it, say what they show us, say baby biara nyama boni ni free nko ho, baby bia nyama boni free baby nko ho, what they to bole baby nyama boni free nko ho, what they to nko ho. It was here for once again. You're welcome to once again. You're watching the Ram Show. Miss Cover Girl, and you're watching the Ram Show on Cover Girl TV, a good year Papi TV. Okay, a good year Papi TV, Cover Girl TV. I'm happy. I just came back from work, but who don't see? It's my main idea with mom and Sakra. I'm a prepare. I'm a yakwa kuju. You know, nayabo. It was for my minjao. There's more video. I had the oba. And you may want to toughen now. Here is more like a brief video. I didn't have to kitten or TikTok no. I had me once a mouth. So there will ba. Who invite you be my number page way so nipa no ba when him so oh this is step 1, this is step 2, step 3, step 4 of how to I mean how to build myself and my spiritual journey process or check it on him. It's okay, so you just follow, make sure you watch all the videos. Make sure you watch all the videos. Until once nipa no obehwehwe o anhwe ne we ya o kire be obehwehwe ntina me ye ne kakran said ye be ya nipa no o hwe a ombre o hwe kakra no we wie no hu we pa straight to the point. I say me do me dream hu nti. So make sure that you share, you subscribe, tell your people, share for your people to subscribe. One ya me brewo, as I say, because I actually ni ho intimate so no say, oh stressing me, I will stop oh. I will stop oh. Obeba office no abetwe ska. Ya hell. Kind of crackle. Intimate show shama me what it, ne share, ne like it. So they be all the time will comment no be ginger me. Okay, it energized me for me to know that I'm doing something great. Or like, when I see it makes me happy. When you share to all my days, it boosts me. And the views to, like, I'm honored. Like, humbly, I'm so honored. I'm so honored that I know you. I'm so honored that you're part of this beautiful, this family. Thank you for watching. Once again, you're watching Cover Girl, a good year TV. Cover Girl, you can as well address me as a good year.